Hello, you guys. This is the live non-farm payroll session right now, guys. Is date right now, guys, is the 7th of June, 2019, and we're right now currently looking at the um, live session of the June 7th, 2019, guys. So this is the Euro USD, guys, that we're looking at right now. And so, yeah, it went from, let's see, that's a daily. So we're gonna go ahead to go to hourly, guys. So it went from about 1.1260 to 1308. So that's Euro USD. If we go to Aussie USD right here, let's see here. Sorry about that. Okay. All right, guys. Okay. So I'm gonna get this down to, yeah, it is, yeah, it went up. Let's go ahead and get this to 5 minute time frame here. You can see, guys, the big candle there. It went from 1270 to 1.1270 to 11310. That's an easy 40 pip move buys on the Euro USD. So if we look at, let's see if I can go to AUSD here, guys. Still going up. So, guys, this is like I said, this is NFP report on June the 7th, guys. All right, June the 7th, 2019. So just wanted to show you guys what the live session looks like. So still going up here, keep going up. So I'm going to switch to 1 hour time frame here, guys. So it's a daily time frame here. It's broken the previous high, which is back on April the 14th, guys. Very previous high on a daily chart. So it keep going up and up and up. Let's see if I can go to forexfactory.com, guys. All right. So I'm going to try to go to forexfactory.com here. All right, let's see here. Forexfactory.com is where you can find the result of the non-farm payroll news that was released today. Let's see what the report was for today. So here's the report right here. Let me see if I can zoom in, guys. Okay. So the report, actual forecast previous AFP. So I'm gonna go to non-farm payroll change. So it's right there, guys. Upper right hand, actual forecast change. So the number here, guys, is the actual is 70,000 and the forecast is 177 and the previous was 175. So the last, basically what this report is saying, guys, is that the last the actual employment change is 75,000. They were forecasting 177,000, and the previous month's non-farm employment is 224,000. So the actual result, guys, is 75,000, which is way lower than the forecasted 177,000. And the previous month's non-farm result is 224,000. So you're looking at just about 1/3 of the actual employment is only 1/3 of what the forecast is, guys. So the unemployment rate is staying at 3.6%. Looking at my upper right hand of my chart on my screen, guys. All right. So that is what's going on. Going back to our live charts here. So it's still going up. So the news is actually bad news to the dollar. So that's why the Euro USD, it's going up. Okay, that's why it's going up. That's why it's going against. I'm gonna go back to the 5-minute chart here. Let's see if we can switch to. Let's see if we can go to. Oops. See if we can get to AUSD for a chart. So AUSD, guys, right here, kind of the same situation, but AUSD went from 69.7550 to this, guys, went up about 5. Let's see. 700. So what's that? About 250 pips. So this could be a time right here to do a counter trend, if you want to, but still a little risky because it's not having a red candle yet. It's still a green candle. Green candle here is bullish in my setup, and a red candle is bearish. Okay. So this is the Wanda mobile app. So if you go to lower right hand, if I change the pair, I click the lower right hand, and then I just can, let's see if I want to go to Euro Yen. Okay, Euro Yen. I click Euro Yen, and that's what it's telling me. So Euro Yen, it went down about 122.14. So it actually went all the way up to 122.40. Then 15 minutes later, it went down to So it was a swing of about probably about 40 pip swing for this. So it started up here first, and then it went down to 122.10, 122.40, 122.40 to 122.10. So it's only 30 pip swing. So easy way to pick up 5 pips for sure. Okay. So let's go ahead and look for another one. Let's go to a dollar dominated pair. Go to pound dollar. So what would that look like? So yeah, pound dollar would so the news was released right around here, right there. It's 5:30 a.m. Pacific time, or 8:30 a.m. New York time. Okay. So yeah, guys, this is live non-farm peril um, news report. Okay. So if I click anywhere in the screen right now, it'll create this horizontal line that I can move up and down, and this vertical line I can move left to right. Okay. So I'm on a 5-minute chart right now, guys, and the previous 5-minute chart is given as a possible reversal move there, and I could do a reversal trade here if I want to. I want to go back to EURUSD, see if this is showing the same thing. EURUSD, it could be possible. It could be possible. Let's see if I want to pick up 2 pips here. Okay, I want to do 2 pips. So no. Just go ahead, cancel that. Cancel. Yeah, I just canceled the trade there, guys. I want to see if I want to do a Euro USD. I want to sell. See if I want to sell just 20% of what I have, 200, and then I want to do entry. So entry would be, that's a limit order. Okay, and I want to do, where's my pips at? I want to do pips instead of price. So take profit, price. No, I don't want to do that. Oh man. Profit, price. No, pips right there. As if I just want to do a 2 pips. Okay. So I want to do a market order, and then I want to do a market order, and it's a sell. Oh man, it's still going up though. Still going up, guys. Should I catch that? Let's do a buy, okay? And okay, right now the spread is 1.3 and 1.2. It's you know, I want to sell. I want to take a 2 profit, 2 pips profit, guys, and market order. So 200 units, take profit 2 pips. That's it. I'm gonna click submit. Okay. Your USD. Here we go. Submit. Submit market order. All right. There we go. I do have a live trade right now, guys, and that is my target profit is 2 pips. Right now, I am 1.5 pips away from my target profit. Okay. So I'm just trying to give you a live demonstration of so I'm 1 pip into my trade right now. So I'm going to let it sit right there, 1.1 pips. Easy pips, guys, easy pips. All right, so how we're looking here, I'm negative 1.2 pips right now, guys. I just let it sit. Let it sit, guys. I'm going to get hit here, I'm sure. So see if I can expand this a little bit here. See if I can expand my chart here. Ah, there you go. Got it expanded and focus on Euro USD. And my target profit there is should get hit here pretty quickly. What do you say, guys? What you say? Okay, here we go. Boom, 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 chakalaka. All right, activity. All right, guys, activity. So, yep, here we go. Take profit triggered. So I am in the money. So see if I can do another one, guys. All right. Because we're looking like we're reversing now. So this is good. Nope. I wanted to do here. Look at school Aussie USD. So I was looking. So Aussie USD is right there. I know back to Euro USD. Euro USD, guys, is one of those. Okay, so when I upper left says trade. Next is orders, positions, activity. Let's see. Yeah, we're reversing right now, guys. Reversing, reversing. Okay. So yeah, this is where the easy pips is now happening. So I'm still on 5 minute chart, guys. All right, 5 minute chart there. So I'm gonna say take profit. Do I have to have a submit or no? So I am Okay, units. Let's see here. Okay, cancel it. Cancel that one, guys. So I'm gonna put 200 there. Type take profit. That's 3 pips there. Submit. Get 2 pips there. Let's take a look, see how that looks. That's interesting though. That's a market order. I'm on a short trade right now, and let me show you guys my trade. I'm going to positions. See, I'm negative 4 pips, 4.2 pips right now, guys. Okay. Oh, I see. Here at the bottom, I can do market. Go look at my lower left hand. See market order. Okay. Gotcha. And then or entry order. That's limit order. Gotcha. And then upper left, that arrow. If I click that one, it'll close that window. Okay. Go look at the lower left hand, guys. It says market order. I click that one. And then upper left hand, the arrow, click that one. Okay. And guys, I am using a Samsung tablet here, guys. So as you know, Android is my operating system. And so if you guys are wondering. So right now, guys, my trade is 0.5 pips negative. I think my target profit is about just a little bit, 2 pips, I think. Yeah. So I'm on the green right now. If you look at the upper left hand, well, it's flipping green. So back and forth, back and forth. Plus 1.5 pips was almost there. So yeah, this is easy, guys. Easy pips, guys. When you're doing trading non-farm payroll, you can do this. Well, the way I do it is, as long as the market's moving, I play within the range of the market right there. I just close the trade. And so that was, okay, so I entered, yeah, so that was I entered right here. Look at the upper left hand. I entered at 113.19, and then I exited at, go to upper left hand, 113.17. So 2.2 pips basically. And so I don't know if I'm gonna go short again, guys, but let me see if I can do an entry order. Okay, so lower left hand, guys. See, for demo purposes here. So guys, we're still in Euro USD. Okay, we're still in Euro USD here, guys, and we're now about 24 minutes into the recording here. Yeah, close to 25 minutes. At the time of this recording right now, the NFP non-farm payroll report was released about 28 minutes ago. So I started recording this just a couple 3 minutes after the non-farm payroll report was released. And best place to go get the report is go to forexfactory.com. Okay, right here, forexfactory.com, and it'll give you the left column. It'll give you the actual time. You can adjust that to your own time, guys. and then the second column will be the currency. Non-farm payroll is a USD currency report, and I'm gonna zoom up here, guys. Oh, let me show this to you real quick. So the way this works, guys, is look at the right side, the graph. The rightmost is the graph. You can click that one, and it will show you the graph, and then it has the next column is previous month's report or previous report, because some of these reports are weekly, some are monthly. Like non-farm payroll is monthly. It comes out every first Friday of the month. And then the next column, guys, is forecast. Basically, that's what the market is. Market makers are forecasting what the result will be. And then the next column is actual. And then the next one is detailed. So if you click on that one, it'll tell you what the report is all about. Okay. So for the non-farm unemployment change or non-farm payroll report, look at the upper right hand. So the 224K, that was the previous month's report, and then go left to that was the 177,000 is the forecasted number of people that were added into the employment, and the only added then the actual one is 75K or 75,000. So the actual report, the actual change is less than the forecasted. So all right, guys, looks like it's a good time for us to put a short again and do a 2-pip move again. So I'm gonna do a let's see here. I'm gonna go lower left hand, guys. I'm gonna do a entry, lower left hand. I'm gonna click entry order. Okay, and I'm gonna do sell. I'm gonna do 200 units, which is 20% of my, or at least about 20% of my units available. I'm going to put take profit. Hold a second here. Go down. The next line is price for entry. The next one is take profit. I'm gonna do 2 pips. So on I have option to put either price or pips. I'm gonna do 2 pips. Okay, and let's see. I'm gonna get. I'm gonna enter a 1.1313. Okay, I want to get it at a premium. Now where it's at right now, so I won't get hit right away. But okay, so I'm looking at 200 units. Look at the left side of my screen. Price is 1.1313. So the price will have to go up right now before I get hit, and then take profit is 2. So let's see. I'm gonna click submit, confirm, submit. Okay, the price right now, guys, is 113.13. My entry is, I'm sorry, 113.11. Entry is 113.13. So it had to go up. Oh, I should get hit. Oh, yep, my limit entry order triggered. Look at the upper pop-up window there. So, and I should be negative right now. If you look at my position here, yep, negative, but I'll leave it at that because I know the market moves crazy. So that's okay. That's okay. So right now I'm negative 3.6. It's gonna fluctuate. I'm still on a 5-minute chart right now, guys. 5-minute chart. Okay, so remember the report was released right around right here. That big candle there that went from 1268 to, yeah, it basically moved about 40 pips, guys, in just 5 minutes. That's crazy. Take that out. So we're approaching 5 minutes here, guys. I mean, I'm sorry, 30 minutes in our recording. So I just want to close this trade here and see where we're at. But hopefully our 2-pip target profit here will get hit pretty quickly. It shouldn't take that long. And I'll show you guys. I think this is our 3rd trade probably. So let's go look at our activity. So we have one, two, yeah, we made 2 trades so far. Yeah, we made 2 trades so far. And let's see here. Okay, so we started at I'm just looking at my numbers. You guys hold a second. 25.79, 25.79, and then we ended at 25.89 minus 25.89 equals divided by 25.79 equals times 100%. So far we've added about 0.4%, almost half a percent in just this session, guys. So if once I get this trade done here, I will be done for the session for the day. And so if I'm shooting for 1% per month, I'm pretty much done. So right now it's reversing on me. I'm negative 7.3 pips right now as we speak, but I'm still within the range there, guys. So I say okay. That is the name of the game. I placed 200 units out of my 1100 units available, so I'm less than 20% exposure of my total units available, guys. I try to stay within 20 units, 20% units, 20% exposure of my available units, guys. So, okay. So I am right now, guys, over 6 pips negative, but the market fluctuates. So as long as I'm within the range, I mean, if you look at it changed. If you look at the daily, guys, look at the daily. Look at that. I am in the range. And no need to panic. Look at the weekly. See, look at that. Weekly is way up. So, the big picture of things. If you look at the daily, it's it won't take long for me to get. I'm within the range. Is what I'm saying, guys. Okay. So, but if we go back to the 5-minute time frame here, yes, it's microscopic, so I'm able to see that I am 5 pips, 5 to 6 pips negative. And this candle is just opened, so a minute ago, 2 minutes ago, so another 3 minutes before this candle will close. So yeah. So right now, guys, we are closing the 34 minutes into our recording time here. So yeah, this is a live recording. This is a recording of a live non-farm payroll session on June the 7th, 2019, guys. So market moves very, very fast. I mean, if you look at this guy right here, when the market opened at 8:30 a.m. New York time, it moved basically 40 pips, guys, in just 40 pips in just 5 minutes, guys. So what I do is I wait until reversal candles show on a 5 minute, and then at that point I start coming in with 2 pip target profit, and then with a conservative goal of 1% per month. If I can get 0.5% here in this session, then for the rest of the month I only need another 0.5%, and I'm done trading for the month. So yeah, very, very conservative approach. Considering Forex, people are making 1 to 2% per day on active trading. I chose to stay conservative and shoot for 1% monthly, and I am okay with that, guys. All right, for this, with this account, 1% monthly is definitely. Um, and if you think about the banks, guys, the banks are what, giving you 1% per year. So if you're able to teach yourself to trade and pick up 1% per month, you're, number one, you're control of your investment, and number two, your performance is way a lot better than the bank. So if you can do that, then you know, but you have to be disciplined. You have to stay within certain parameters, and you have to plan your trade and trade your plan. So if you plan to shoot for 1% um, per month, then that would be like a 1/4% per week. So really, um, if you shoot for a 1/4% per week, you may only have to trade 2 times that whole week, um, with only 2 to 3 pips per trade. It is very, very doable, guys. And if you're somebody that has a full-time job, this is something definitely that you can do on the side and be able to still manage to grow your account at 1% per month. So, yep. So right now, as you see, I'm negative 6.8%. If you look at the upper left of my screen here. So, and again, guys, this is live non-farm peril trading with the live account. I did expose 200 units out of my 1100 units available balance in the account. So I'm exposing less than 20% of my total units. So far we are about 0.4% for the session, for this trading session, which is a New York session, New York morning session, guys. The other popular session would be British or London trading session, and the other one would be Tokyo session, which is Asia morning time, and that would be evening time here in the US. So, because Japan, I think, is about 13, 14 hours ahead here from the US time zone. Okay, so the trade is reversing to us on right now. We are 9 pips negative, and as you can see, guys, I don't have any other indicators, just price action here, just my candlestick telling me what to do, what not to do. So I mean, I could have reversed here, guys, at this level right here, but I did not. I waited for the second 5-minute candle after the release, and then on the third candlestick, it is starting right there. It's starting to tell me that that the trend is reversing, and so yeah. So I think we traded on this candle, and we traded on that candle there, the next one. So yeah. So right now we have 200 units in, and we are negative 11 pips. So now again, guys, if you look at the big picture, the 1 hour right there, we're at the tip of the 6 a.m. Pacific hour, the hour candle. We're at the tip, the tail of that. If you look at the daily, we're right in the middle of it, guys. So nothing to worry. It's going to be we're above the half body of this current hour candle right now, guys. So I am okay with that. Definitely okay with that. We're still at 10 pips negative right now at this point. So yeah. So okay, in the recording we're at 40 minutes already into the recording, guys. So back to 5 minute. Okay, going back to the 5 minutes here. We'll see. The 5 minutes will close here in about a minute. That 5 minute candle that we're in a 5 minute time frame right now, guys, and let's see if see where this candle will close. It might be a green candle closing the way it's looking. So obviously it's not good, because if this candle closes green, then most likely the second candle might probably be because that's bullish. That's two bullish candles in a row, and that would be obviously bad news for us, because most likely the third candle after that could be bullish. Okay, so looking at this candle right here, guys. Yep, it closed as bullish, so I expect this new candle that's forming up, that is going to be probably bullish as well. It might do a little bit of reversal, but so we're currently 11 pips negative, guys, at this point, and it's touching the higher high of this 5 minute time frame. So yep, it's going bullish, and I have a feeling that it's gonna continue to be bullish, with this being a third candle on a bullish mini trend. Yeah, it looks like it's pulling back, and we'll see. It would require a lot of take profit for this to go down, from people that were bullish down here at the bottom right here at the 1270 range. So okay, guys, I'm gonna cut this in a couple minutes here. I probably will wait until this candle will close, and then I'm just gonna leave it at that, and then close the recording, because we're now approaching 45 minutes, and I don't want this video to get to close to 1 hour. So but the way, yep, it is going bullish, guys. So right now we're negative 13 pips into the trade. Not a big deal. Basically we're about 1% negative right now, and so we gave back about 0.5%, but I'm not closing the trade, so this is not realized loss, it is unrealized loss, because I'm not closing the trade. So we're only 12 pips away from getting our TP, or target profit, hit. So not a big deal, guys. Not a big deal. Okay, so guys, this is live Forex trading on a non-farm payroll day, which is the first day of every month. Okay, that candle is going to get bigger, so because it's already about to break the previous high in this session, which is that candle there. So okie dokie. With that, guys, we're now at 44 minutes plus, and I want to just go ahead and end the session. That way we'll stay within the less than 1 hour video, because this video is starting to get too long. All right, so it's reversing, it's gonna do that, back and forth. So okie dokie, guys, let us go ahead. We're getting close to 45 minutes, so let's go ahead and close the session, this recording session, guys. All right, with that, hopefully you all learned something in this live trading session, guys. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to see you in my next trading video, and we'll go ahead and adjourn for now. Um, have a good day, and thanks so much for watching. Again, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care, have a good day, and have a happy trading day. And bye for now.